Hi, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to model a cartoony structure or cartoon character in Autodesk Maya 2020. So let's get started. First, take a polygon cylinder, decrease the radius 0.5. Subdivision caps make it 0 or 0.8, radius 0.8. Height, increase the height. Sorry, radius 5, 6, type 6. Subdivision height increase. Take subdivision height 8. Take a polygon sphere, move the sphere up just here, turn on wireframe on shaded mode, type sphere radius 0.6, move it up, press F to focus or zoom in. Put this one just here. Decrease the height to 4. Move this one down. Now go to side view. Select the cylinder. Go to vertex selection mode. Select this vertex. Scale slightly. And also this one. Scale slightly. Now select the polygon sphere. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it and move it down. Press F to focus or zoom in. Scale it to fit the size. Go to perspective view. Move it down just here. Now select all, move them up. Select this one. Select all. Go to mesh, click combine. Go to mesh, click combine. Edit, delete by type, delete history. Rotate this. Just type rotate 15 degree. Or 10 degree along x-axis. 15 is right. Along x-axis. Now take another cylinder. Radius type here 0.5. Subdivision caps make it 0. Move the cylinder just here. subdivision height increase the cylinder height to type here 3 or 2.8. Select this one, rotate this one, move it here, move up, select all, modify freeze transformation, go to vertex selection mode, side view, select this vertex, scale just like this vertex, take a polygon sphere, decrease sphere radius 0.4, move this one down just here, go to perspective view, that is right. Now select all, move them up, go to mesh, click combine, edit, delete by type, delete history, take a polygon cube, move the cube up or just scale, go to vertex selection mode, select this vertex, move them here or here, edge selection mode, go to mesh tool, insert edge loop, reset the tool, insert one edge loop here, another here and also another here, double click, multiple edge loop, type 6, double click, reset the tool, edge selection mode, select this edge, shift double click, go to edit mesh, click bevel fraction increase 1, vertex selection mode, go to side view, select this vertex, Ctrl G to undo, scale them and move them down just here, go to perspective view, select this vertex, Ctrl G to undo, move them up, this position is right. Go to mesh tool, insert edge loop, insert one edge loop here. Vertex selection mode, go to side view, select this vertex, scale them. Now again insert edge loop, insert one edge loop here, scale tool, scale it, another edge loop here, another here, and also another here. Scale tool, scale the edge loop, move the edge loop down, back. Now select all, go to modify, freeze transformation, mesh, combine, edit, delete by type, delete history. Move this one here. Again take a polygon sphere. Move the sphere up, just here. Increase the radius of the sphere. .1. Move up. Move just like this. Select this, rename it as left leg. The position is correct. Now select all, go to mesh, click combine, go to top view, face selection mode, select the half face, press delete. Object mode, this is x-axis, positive x-axis. So go to mesh, open mirror option, reset the tool, select copy, mirror axis object, axis -x, click mirror, select the object, click mirror and see. Now go to edit, delete by type, delete history. Again select all, go to mesh, click separate. Now select this one, and also this one. Go to mesh, click combine. And rename this one as left leg. left leg, left, and this one mesh combine as right leg, GST right leg, and this one delete by type, delete history, shift key to unparent, delete the shape node and rename it as body. Now right click, assign new material, select Lambert, change the Lambert color this color. Now select the two leg, right click, assign existing material, select Lambert 2. This is how you can create your first cartoony character in Autodesk Maya 2020. In the next lesson, I will show you how to rig it and create a walk cycle animation with the help of this cartoon character. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.